We are testing what could be one of the most ridiculous kitchen gadgets of all time, the Pancakebot. It prints designs using pancake batter for a price tag of $300. Do you need this? Probably not. I don't think there's ever been a task around the kitchen where you're like, oh God, to make this easier, I wish we had a Pancakebot. No, but this could just simply be that much fun. What I don't think you're gonna get with the Pancakebot is actually like thick, fluffy pancakes. You have to use a thin batter, so when the pressure comes, it comes out the hose easily. So I have kind of a thin batter here. I strained it through a fine mesh strainer to take out any clumps because I don't want to get it stuck in the hose. Then you download some software that goes on your computer that you then put on an SD card that goes into the slot of the Pancakebot and it prints out your designs. It has preloaded designs that you can do. You can also make your own. So first thing we're gonna do, we take our card, we gotta put it in our computer, and I'm gonna download the Eiffel Tower. Done. Now we eject it. SD card goes in the slot, batter goes in. This is the controls for your skillet. It works on low, medium, high, and you plug it in on the side here. The air hose drops air pressure in, making the batter come out of the nozzle at specific areas. I have my pressure set at medium right now, which is about a 5. We'll see if that's too much. So on our screen, we're gonna press the play button, and we have a thing here called Eiffel, and we are just gonna hit play. You ready, Pancakebot? Are you gonna work? I have dots. Oh, there we go. Now it's starting to go. Oh, no way. This is so silly. And so amazing. You know how when you know pancakes are done, you see it start to bubble up top? I'm already getting that up here, so I'm a little worried that maybe the heat's too high, but oh my God. I mean, come on. Okay, it's not connected and all. Oh God, it's only connected some of the parts. All right, maybe we need to up the pressure a little bit because it's a little thin, but the design is there. This is in no way a good pancake, but it's the Eiffel Tower. Oh God. Maybe the Eiffel Tower was a bad choice. If someone say, come over for pancakes and they serve me this, would I be a little upset? Maybe. I haven't had this fun making pancakes, I think, ever. Let's take it up to almost 9. Let's see what happens when we make a big old thing. Got the pressure almost all the way up now. See what that looks like. Okay, we may be on the edge of a little too thick here because the lines are kind of getting blurred, but this may be a more flippable pancake. I had a little bit of an air bubble pop right in here. That's a favorite noise. Pancakebot. I love you, Pancakebot. I really do. This is silly. Oh God, do I love it. This thing works with relative ease. Relative ease in the sense that you do have to put a giant machine together, relative ease in the meaning that you do have to download software, relative ease meaning you do have to get an SD card, plug it into the machine, select the correct design, have it formatted correctly, and then it prints? Yes. With that kind of ease, it is. Sorry, Pancakebot, I'm about to say something really mean. I came into this just being like, this thing is useless, but God, it's fun. Eiffel Tower pancake. I mean, it's not the greatest pancake in the world. Hold it, eat it. So now we're gonna see how easy it is to kind of make your own design. It comes with this software. If you're proficient at MS Paint, this is your guy. You also upload a picture, which is what we're gonna do. And to totally pander, we're gonna do an Eater E. So I have my outline of the Eater E. Then I'd like to fill it because I want it to be an entire pancake. And there we go. Now let's export for printing. I'm gonna take it out, close this guy up. Now we're gonna take this, drop it into the machine. There it is, Eater E pancake. And we're gonna press play and see what happens. Come on, Pancakebot. My best friend. It's working. Is it the most perfect E? No. But it's an E nonetheless. That's more like a pancake. Listen, Eiffel Tower, super fun. Maybe not the most edible thing, but this works. Oh my God. Dinosaur pancake. All right, so we loaded a dinosaur in here. And is it the most perfect, beautiful dinosaur? No. But is it a dinosaur better than I could do or most people could do by hand? Yeah, I mean, look at this. How mad can you be when someone says, hey, you want a pancake? Okay. Would you like it in the shape of a dinosaur? Yes. Insert Jurassic Park theme because we can't afford it. Do you need a $300 pancake printer? No. There's never been a moment in time where someone said, hey, to make pancakes easier, what we need to do is spend $300 on a printer or you have to download software. Never has happened. This is a $300 machine that takes up a lot of space. But also, like, if you want your kids away from the TV or you want to sit around on a weekend and just like lay back and nurse your hangover where your kids make breakfast, this is the thing. Downfall, I mean, my God, to clean this thing up is gonna be way worse than any kind of pancake thing because you're not just doing the griddle. You gotta clean this little spout here. You gotta clean this canister out. You got lots of drips happening over here. So the machine is flawed in some places. Out of all practicality, which I know I've been a stickler for on this show many times, about speed and practicality and not buying things that you don't need and knife skills over actual, this is just fun. The fun outweighs the ridiculousness here. So against better judgment, when I'm usually like, no, you don't need this thing. If you got the money. Pancakebot. For more things that are a little bit ridiculous, but could be totally worth it, click here. We have a brand new model of air fryer. What this does is it's a heating element and a fan that keeps hot air constantly in motion.